Hello, in this Google Workspace configuration settings video, we will look at how to disable less secure apps for your school's domain. A less secure app is a dated legacy application which requires your users to log in to third-party applications using a username and password. Less secure apps can make it easier for hackers to get access or to get into your accounts. So blocking sign-ins from these applications will help to further protect your school's accounts. Before we look at changing the less secure app settings, let's look at how we can run a report to check how many users are currently using less secure apps. To do this, make sure you log into your admin console, then click on Reporting, User Reports, Security. Once we get to the User Report section, if you do not see a column here for less secure apps access, click on the little cog here on the right called Manage Columns. Then go to the drop-down menu at the bottom and search for less secure apps. Choose less secure apps, then press Save. As we can see, it's already selected for my report. From here, I can see which users have access to less secure apps. To get a full report on all users, I can click on the Download button, and then I can review the entire report for less secure apps access. Now let's look at navigating to the less secure app security settings. To do this, we click on Security, Access and Control, Less Secure Apps. We want to ensure that we choose a top level OU. This way, the settings are pushed down to a lower level OUs. Now, in the previous step, we looked at which users have access to less secure apps. Keep in mind, once we choose Disable Access to Less Secure Apps, if a less secure app has been enabled on a user's account, the next time the user tries to access it, the app will time out when it refreshes its connection and will no longer work. Please keep in mind that timeout periods will vary for each application for less secure apps. Now that we've disabled less secure apps for our top level OU, go ahead and click Save. Now, if you have determined by running the less secure apps report that there are some users that do require access to the less secure app, we can provide exception to this rule by configuring access for a specific group. To do this, while we're in the less secure app setting, on the left-hand side, instead of choosing OU, we want to go to Groups. Then we want to search for a group. Now, you'll have to have created this group beforehand, and as you can see, I created a group called Less Secure Apps Access. I simply select that group, and then I choose Allow Users to manage the access to less secure apps. This will now allow less secure apps for that group only. So to remember to create the group beforehand, before you want to enable the setting, and ensure you add the required users to the group. We can now click on Save to save this setting. We can now see that less secure apps has been disabled for your school's top level OU, and we've also set an exception to the less secure apps access group to have access to less secure apps. We have now configured less secure apps access correctly for your domain. Thank you for watching this video.